Indian cybersecurity solutions presents Hacker News. Qualcomm faces cybersecurity issue impacting visitor check-in system. Qualcomm has suffered a cybersecurity issue impacting the security of its visitor check-in system. The tech giant has begun notifying impacted individuals of the issue in a privacy notice which reads, "Last week on January 15th we became aware of an issue affecting the security of Qualcomm's visitor check-in system. Impacted individuals include people who would have previously visited one or more of Qualcomm's offices and used the visitor check-in system. The attack left impacted users' information exposed to unauthorized access. Information such as an individual's contact and employer information, citizenship, and the date, time, and purpose of their visit has been exposed. Credit card information, government identifiers, or birth dates were not exposed as part of the attack, posing no significant risk to identity theft, as per Qualcomm's privacy notice. However, since a user's contact information was exposed, they may be facing a risk of phishing. According to Qualcomm's FAQ page on the issue, cyber attackers leveraged a remote code execution vulnerability in its Visit application to access the servers that host the application. This allowed them to download and run additional software, providing them login access to the compromised system. Enter your text here. We have completed a rebuild of the impacted Visit application and associated infrastructure to ensure the intrusion was contained and further access is prevented. We have also added additional cybersecurity monitoring to detect any future intrusion attempts. The intrusion has been reported to the federal authorities and we are notifying impacted individuals," it said on the FAQ page.